In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your online status on WhatsApp doesn't show, a simple process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. For many, maintaining privacy on social media and messaging apps is paramount, and WhatsApp has built-in features allowing users to control who sees their online status. Today, we're diving deep into these settings so you can confidently use WhatsApp with an added layer of privacy. First, let's kick things off by navigating to WhatsApp. It's important to start here because we'll be accessing WhatsApp's in-app settings. If you're using a desktop, you can access WhatsApp Web by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser. The interface on mobile devices is quite similar, so even if you're on your phone, you can follow along with ease. Once you're in WhatsApp, the next step is to go directly to the privacy settings. This might sound a bit tricky, but it's quite straightforward. On WhatsApp Web, you'll find this by clicking on the 3 dots located at the top of your chat list, then selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. On a mobile device, you'll tap on Settings, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. After you've entered Settings, it's time to locate Privacy. This is your gateway to customizing who sees what on WhatsApp. The Privacy menu holds several options, but for our purpose, we'll focus on Last Seen and Online. This option dictates what information is visible to your contacts and, in some cases, the public. Now here comes the crucial part. Clicking on Last Seen and Online will open up a new layer of settings. Among these you'll find Who Can See When I'm Online. It's a setting few users know they have control over, but it is indeed there to help you manage your online visibility. Clicking on this will bring up the options you have for controlling who can see your online status. At this point you might expect to choose between everyone, my contacts, or nobody. However, if your goal is to not show online at all, you might be slightly misled by these options. Here's the deal. WhatsApp doesn't allow users to completely hide their online status from everyone in real time. Your status appears as online whenever you're actively using the app. However, setting your online status visibility to nobody ensures that when you're not currently on WhatsApp, nobody can see the last time you were online. So, while you won't find a button labelled Nobody, because this privacy feature works a bit differently when it concerns online status, what you can absolutely control is your last seen status. Adjusting this to Nobody effectively gives you a cloak of invisibility, in a sense, for anyone trying to track when you last used WhatsApp. And when you're using WhatsApp, remember, being cautious about opening it only when necessary can help keep your online presence discreet. In conclusion, today's tutorial walked you through the steps to navigate WhatsApp's privacy settings, specifically focusing on managing who can see when you're online. We learned that while WhatsApp doesn't offer a direct option to hide your real-time online status, making your last seen status private is the next best thing. By following the steps we've outlined, you can achieve a higher degree of privacy. Remember, in this age of digital communication, taking control of your privacy settings is not just a preference, it's a necessity for many. WhatsApp offers a range of options, letting you fine-tune what information you share and with whom. Today's focus on managing online status visibility is just the tip of the privacy iceberg. We encourage you to explore further and customize your settings to suit your comfort level. Thank you for joining me on this step-by-step guide on how to manage your online status on WhatsApp. Privacy is invaluable, and knowing how to navigate these settings empowers you to use WhatsApp more confidently and securely. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.